So hey, one question was asked by my one viewer. The question is, without any warrant, police officer can arrest me or not? So the answer is, well, it is totally depend on the situation. Some situation police officer have a power without any warrant can arrest you, and some situation police does not have any kind of power to arrest you without any warrant. It is totally depend on the situations. It is totally depend on the fact. But if we talk about section 35 of the Bnss, means Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, that is totally says when the police officer may arrest you without any warrant. So what is the ground? One basis of those ground the police officer may arrest you without any warrant. So the first point is, if you commit any cognizable offense, then the police officer may arrest you without any warrant. And if the any reasonable complaint filed against you, then police officer may arrest you without any warrant. And if the police officer think you are a suspicious person, then police officer may arrest you without any warrant. And if any kind of the stolen property and any kind of the suspicious property find from you, then police officer may arrest you without any warrant. And lots of ground also available. For example, if the police officer think, if the police officer not arresting you, then you will going to commit any kind of the cognizable offense and some serious offense, then also basis of those ground police officer may arrest you. But the police officer should have to be in a reason in writing why the police officer arresting you without any warrant. They just write down the reasons. On basis of those reasons, the police officer may arrest you without any warrant. And also, if the police officer think you are a proclaimed offender, you are an offender which is basically declared by the state and any kind of the court, the police officer may arrest you without any warrant. And also the civilian also have a right to arrest you without any warrant because you are a proclaimed offender. And the other ground also available, if the police officer think you are threatening some witnesses and you are just tampering the evidence, then police officer also arrest you without any arrest warrant. And if any accused try to run away from any kind of lawful custody, then also police officer have a power to arrest that persons without any warrants. So lots of ground available. On basis of those ground, the police officer have a power to arrest you even without any arrest warrant. So do not say this thing, the police officer cannot arrest you without any warrant. But some other thing also available. If you commit any non-cognizable offense, then police officer do not arrest you. But if you commit any non-cognizable offense in the presence of the police officer, and when police officer asks you to reveal your name and addresses, and if you refuse to do so, then police officer also have the power to arrest you on basis of those ground. And when you disclose the true address and true fact, then police officer release you from the police stations when you furnishing the bond and when you just showing your desire to furnishing the bond. And this kind of the ground which is available as per the section 35 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, means Bnss. On basis of those ground, police officer arrest you without any warrant. And also lots of factor available. If the police officer think they want to arrest you, they can arrest you without any arrest warrant. But sometimes the police officer need to reason and put down their police diary, and they need to carry those things. Then on basis of those ground, then police officer arrest you. So I hope you understand. I hope the concept is totally explicit for your brain. As per the section 35 of the Bnss, the police officer may arrest you when the police officer think and when you just commit any kind of offense, and when the police officer think you are a suspicious person, so when police officer think you are an abscond offender, when police officer think you are threatening some witnesses and you are tampering any kind of the witnesses and you are going to commit any kind of the offense, then police officer may arrest you. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that is a detailed video. If you think this video is very beneficial for you and very helpful for you, please share my video, subscribe my channel and press the notification bell, and comment what kind of the topic do you want to do you want to watch. Then I'm going to try to make video on that topic as per your said. So now that is all for today. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.